There's a fire going on. Ugh, ugh. Got ash in my eye. For state of Oregon, and this is what I get.
Okay. So, can you see the fire, Jameson?
I can see it.
Okay, we just got gas at that gas station, and now it's on fire.
And look what everybody's doing. They're not even helping.
What are you going to do? Go over there and, do your manly powers to it?
We haven't got really anything.
I mean, I basically, the freeway's right there. The freeway stopped because there's a fire. I'm waiting for the fire to burn by and then get in the car and take off. It's the 5. We're going north. We've hit 280 miles. Oh, my goodness.
We just got gas.
Yeah. So tell me, Jameson, was it exciting?
Yeah. No, like, it was crazy. Like, there was a bunch of smoke. The ash was, like, flying everywhere.
Yeah. It's burning, right? It's burning up to the back of the gas station. No, but everybody's recording it too. This guy, he's on his cell phone. Yeah. I would never do that. I would never sit at a...
this is how the dinosaurs went extinct.
Yeah! Kablooey!
Sinclair.
That's why you got to clear up the brush from your house back so many feet, Yeah. Anyway, when it burns through, we'll go.
Which it looks like it's just they poured water on it.
No, it looks like we're
staying here for a little.
Yeah, well,
whoa, there it is.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah, it's big.
It's big. It's a brush fire, but it's not going to cross the street.
Well, yeah, because there's nothing to burn on.
And well, I mean, it'll blow across, but it won't. It's pretty hard for it to light it to get it. It's going black, and there it is.
Look at all this ash.
I know. I know, but I can't do anything.
Whoa.
I can drive down the road, but goodness sake. Stop. You can't believe that, man. You can't see anything over there. We had to move.
We couldn't breathe.
No, I could breathe a little bit. Because he has weak childlike lungs. Oh, they got a fire truck over there. Oh, it's good. Let's go. I'm kidding. Oh, that's scary. See, this is what happens when we try to do cool things. Oh, and there's a river right there, so it splits.
Clearing it out, it's dying.
Yeah, dying.
It was much higher before.
Yeah, that is true, but I don't think it's down because they're fighting it. I think it's down because of it's I don't know, like running out of stuff to burn maybe.
Okay.
This is great. Yay. Well, aren't you glad we decided to get back off where I said to get off rather than to, like, go and sit on the freeway up there?
Yeah.
Or would you rather be sitting next to the freeway looking at this stuff?
Well, no, because I couldn't breathe.
It jumped the road, dude, so it's on the other side.
Maybe on like a little spark.
Yeah, well, apparently...
It's like a volcano.
Yeah, so we're stuck. We're trapped over here now. No. We got an aqueduct, dude. We're cool. Yeah. And it's going that direction. It's following the wind. Well, the wind is blowing it.
It's going.
Oh, yeah. It's insane. What?
It will leave us alone.
We're okay. We're kind of... Danger, Will Robinson. And those people...
Oh, it's still there.
No, that's not a fire. That's kind of a fire. So you just drive in there and there's people coming through. They got through. See, there's somebody else that came through.
Just stand your... This way.
Stay in my lane. I can't wait for it to die down a little bit, huh?
All just burned?
Yep. It's all burned, dude. That's so crazy. I don't know if I should do that.
What?
What I'm about to to do. It just seems a little scary, dude.
I'm telling you.
Oh, if it would die down and I could see, but...
Maybe put your lights on.
Oh yeah, that'll help. Maybe just go straight through it, huh? Should I do it? Alright, why am I asking the kid for all these, like, dangerous things here?
What?
What? We either gotta go through or back. It's your choice.
Okay, go.
Through?
No.
I'm gonna wait for a break in the smoke, like right there, yeah?
Okay.
Because I can see that sign right on the other side, you know?
Okay, your brake's coming.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Okay, go.
Alright.
Now's your chance.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Yeah.
There we go.
We're going.
Yeehaw! Blues Brothers! Mission from God!
Oh, okay, that was weird. We can't see.
Woohoo! We did it! We are through!
Why did you open your window?
Oh, the window